Also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.